Going out to Ikea Belfast. See the thing about Ikea in Belfast, there's a wee tip anybody wants to know. The retail park beside it, you can park there and just walk across the road to Ikea. And you walk on Ikea returns door, the exit. It's not the exit door, it returns. So whenever you go into Ikea and you go into the main car park, you have to drive away up to the bottom of the road. See how far it is, away down the bottom of the road, and then you round the edge and then back down again. And then you might go in the multi-story, you go up 3 or 4 layers, then you have to walk down the multi-story, walk down to the entrance, you then walk around the whole entire store one-way system unless you know about the shortcuts. And then you get past the cafe and the top and all. And then you come down to the bottom past the rejects, and at the very end then, that's where you get the cheap chips and stuff. But there's not a cafe, you don't get sitting down. It takes ages. But if you want the cheap chips and you want to go to the toilet and you don't want to go through all that rigmarole, see here, click and collect, customs returns. My car's over there. I go in here now. Look at this here. The door, the toilet's right beside you and the cafe's right beside you. Look how handy this is. There's a wee food market down there where you get the cheap food and all. The toilet's over here. I want to go to the toilet first. You get the idea. Right beside it. Only one toilet bowl there. It's queue. But I'll tell you even better now. There's shutters down today. See them shutters in front? That's the entrance. And the main toilet is on there. So you can go between the entrance and the exit as well through them steel shutters, but the shutters are down today. What are they go and do that for there, like? So if I was to go now in the entrance door now, I have to go in the one-way system. There's actually a queue there now. Where's the price list now? Got 4 bags of chips and this wee strawberry ice cream. Vegan strawberry ice cream, 50p, the wee machine. Give the wee cup, the machine puts it out. I've got everything here, haven't I? Should have taped the wee machine working. But it took ages. Vegan ice cream. Says how many calories? 50 calories or something like that. It's cold like ice cream anyway. I'll see what it's like. Took ages, but wee Luna. I'm going to let Luna try a bit of this ice cream as well. See how it goes. I was going to buy 2 tubs. I don't know. I'm giving her dog food now, a can of dog food. And dark ice cream after dog food. So I'll try this wee one and see how it goes. I've got long COVID. Doesn't taste right. But see that ice cream? Doesn't taste like ice cream. I don't think I'll be able to eat it. Luna might be getting a full ice cream whether she's made or not. It's very strong strawberry taste and very sweet, and then sort of dies off right away. But it's very sweet, but it's, I don't know. See, I can't be a judge anyway, because even fruit pastas don't taste right. But some things I can eat, and even if they don't taste what they're meant to look like, they don't have strong taste. I don't know how to describe it. Doesn't taste like ice cream. Definitely strawberry, but I don't know. Maybe it's too real strawberry to me. You need to get somebody who you can taste. But I'll not be buying it again anyway. Maybe the ordinary ice cream won't taste right either. Now I get out on here now, we get her fed. What am I give her this ice cream? But I don't know, I'm going to give her food. God knows what's going to come out of her eyes if I give her this ice cream along with food. Sunday waste this ice cream. I'll see. Let's get an ice cream first. It's ice cream, but not as you know it. Not as you know it, pet. If she doesn't eat it, you know it's definitely something wrong with it. She likes it. Oh, but that's terrible. I don't do a cup of ice cream. I'll eat my chips, pet. I'll wait about 10-15 minutes or so, and then we'll give her her meat there.
Have you drawn back to the music business every now and then?
4 portions of chips I bought myself. It's about 4 portions. Because you don't get many in a portion, do you? Like, it's not as good as my oven chips now. I have to do.
Know if I could do other things. Yeah. And so I already had a
So you're
foundation.
talking about sort of